All right, so we back again. Probably 2 videos in one day because guess what, yo? It's iPhone day and we are unboxing iPhones. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this one I have been very anxious about, okay? I ordered it a little late. I didn't know if I wanted to get this or the iPhone 17, but the more I kept looking at that Air, the more that she just had to be mine. I had to go out there and pre-order it, so therefore, I was a little late, missed the in-store pickup window. Now, I did go pick up the 17 Pro Max, as you can see here, in the silver color. So if you want to catch this unboxing, I'll be sure to link it over there. But now it's time, and as I was backing out the driveway to go get my son from school, man, look, the UPS driver pulled up and I said, just wait a second. My son gonna have to just pause for a minute. All right, I got to go ahead and grab this iPhone Air. So here it is in the sky blue, and I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. No, this thing does not mean that it's a perfect flagship. All right, I did a video talking about everything about it and how people were just really wrong, and now since the reviews has came out about this device, people are definitely really wrong. So can't wait to check this out. This was the exciting thing for me when it came to the event. Okay, I got the AirPod Pro 3s, I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple Watch Ultra 3, I'm good. I still got the 2 and she's rolling pretty good. But I said I had to get my hands on this because this feels like the new thing. This feels like innovation. It was just the one more thing that I just had to get the one more thing in my damn cart. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. So I went out there and got the sky blue. Now, I love a good sky blue. I love a Sierra blue, and I wish they would have gave us something similar to this to the Pro models because them colors on the Pro model, let me let's cheeks, if you can ask me, all right? So I did 256 base model Air. I don't necessarily see this being a daily phone for me. I'm always probably going to resort back to this just because of the battery life, the versatility that I can get out of a Max phone. But this right here, the main SIM card will be in it for a period of time, and I just cannot wait to see what it's about. But enough flapping my dang on jaws. Let's just go ahead and get into it. As you can see right here, let's go ahead and pull the little tabs. Y'all know what I don't know what time it is when it comes time to the pull tabs. I got these little things all over the floor between AirPods, between iPhones, pull tabs all over the damn place. All right, so let's just go ahead and check it out. All right, now when I went to the Apple store, I didn't even look over there. The guy was like, hey, pick up the Air. And I was like, I don't want to see it. This is something I want to experience for my own. So I have not seen this or picked it up. I purposely walked the other way in the damn Apple store so I don't see this thing, all right? So let's just go ahead and take a look at it now. As I seen people been doing, this thing is, oh my God. This thing is light. All right, we're gonna set this down. Do we need to even look at the boxes? We know nothing is in there. Remember, viewers, stop acting like something is in the unboxing box. Y'all know nothing comes in those boxes. But back to this bad boy right here. Back to this, back to this. Let's go ahead and get a little ASMR. Let's get a. That was a little bit more satisfying than the 17 Pro Max. I'm not gonna lie to you, but let me tell you, wow, this thing right here feels as good as I thought it was going to feel. I had the S25 Edge from Samsung, and that is the first thing that made me really want to experiment a thin device. Experiment a thin device. And this thing here, I mean, compared to something like the 17 Pro Max, I mean, I'm blown away. Like, this feels insane. Like, the thinness alone is something that makes me want to use the phone. Like, just because it's so thin, it makes me want to use it. It just makes me want to, let me just cut the thing going. Let me get a little bit of juice on this bad boy, all right? Now, when it comes to the color, this is going to be that sky blue. I will tell you, the blue really is very subtle. It has a very, very soft blue, and you could tell the blue titanium that goes all the way around. And let's just say, if I held, let me get this up out of this case real quick, because we're going to compare the hold, the feel of both of these. So if I feel both of these in hand, man, this feels like a cheaper phone. Although, of course, you know it's not a cheaper phone. It just does not feel like the quality that this Air has. This Air is giving me old, not old. That's the damn shit. You see how we do when a new phone comes out, you always call the previous version old? This is giving me titanium vibes on the 16 series and just feels a little bit more premium than the aluminum. Now, of course, we know why they chose to go aluminum on the Pro series, but that doesn't take anything from this bad boy of just how, I mean, just look at that, man. This thing is so thin. I mean, you don't even have room to barely put the Type-C. Now, I know some people were saying that they didn't like this because it wasn't centered. When it comes to the Type-C port, hey, listen, man, you got to really be studying it, and you got to be putting a little, look, ain't nobody looking at that. All right, ain't nobody looking at that, this thing right here being off-centered. Nobody's pressing for that at all, man. But on the back, you see Probably one of the things that will probably aggravate me the most about the Air is the single camera. Now, is it going to be something that just turns me completely off? Nah, not at all, because this is going to be a secondary device. This device is not going anywhere. But like I stated, I will slap my SIM card probably after this weekend. I got a fairly busy and heavy weekend, and it's probably the best time to test the Air device out. But I'm gonna wait until after this weekend to slap this on and really put it through its paces to see how this thing really does. But man, I just love the way it feels. And the fact that all technology, everything that makes this phone what it is all up here in the camera bar. And in my opinion, that just screams just technology, in my opinion, when it comes to this Air. So, I mean, it literally feels like you're just, like they stated, you're holding a display. So I cannot wait to get this thing set up. I'm gonna get all my information up here. I may throw my main SIM. I'm really, really enjoying the 17 Pro Max right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's gonna be kind of hard to pull the 17 Pro Max away from me. But this thing here, I want to get it fully loaded up with all the stuff that I have to get on it and pop my eSIM on it maybe sometime this weekend. And we're gonna vibe out with it because I definitely want to test that camera. Definitely want to check out the speakers. And you know, one thing that we all want to test out is going to be that battery life, because everybody's been saying, oh, the battery life is going to be trash. But after watching these reviews, battery life seems pretty dang on good. So I definitely want to check it out to see what it's for. But Dynamic Island, you still get those 3,000 nits, because let me tell you something, man. I went outside a little while ago. 3,000 nits on this 17 Pro Max was no joke. It was just like me looking at this screen in here with low lighting outside. My display was just pumping and jumping when we talking about brightness. So this is it, man. This is going to be the iPhone Air, not iPhone 17 Air, iPhone Air, and I am here for it. So definitely can't wait to check some accessories out for this thing. I know a lot of you said you want to see accessories. A lot of companies make cases. They may not make the full case lineup for it, but they do make cases for it, and I can't wait to get into them because I don't really want to put a lot on this thing to bulk this bad boy up. I'm gonna be real with you. I would love to keep this in a slim form factor, but you got to keep this thing protected. We've already been seeing the bend test. I mean, I'm getting my flex on right here. You know what I mean? I'm not bending, but I'm putting a little pressure on it right there. And it's not, you know, I'm putting a little pressure on it. You know, I'm not jerry rig everything, but you've seen the bend test with this thing bending back, the most durable iPhone ever made. Now, we gonna be testing that out? Absolutely not. We will not be testing that out because I don't get these phones sent to me. This is my hard-earned money, especially earned through this channel. So this is going to be it, man. This is going to be the iPhone Air 256 in that sky blue colorway. Definitely get subbed up. I'm going to be using this thing. We're going to do videos telling you about my use of this phone, especially when it comes time to the battery life, different things like that. I'm not sure why this camera just cut off, but it is what it is. But we're going to test all the things when it comes to this, man. So get subbed up, hit the subscribe button, and you already know we getting accessories also when it comes to that 17 Pro Max. So that's it, man. iPhone Air, this is going to be something that's going to be, I'm going to have a hard time putting her down, all right? Because just feeling these little narrow hips, and I don't like narrow hips. I like my hips to have a little bit of thickness, like that 17 Pro Max. But this Air feels so good in hand, man. So get subbed up. Accessories videos coming for both the Air and the 17 Pro Max. But if you want to see the unboxing for the 17 Pro Max, video right here.